My third portfolio artifact is Quizlet, and I have used this quite a few times as a student, and now I'm excited to be able to use it as a teacher. So the way that you sign up is you just go to Quizlet.com, click Get Started, and then you fill in your information, pick a username that you're going to remember, and a password. This website is great for students who need extra help with creating study guides, and there are different levels that you can get, but you don't have to buy anything. You can just use the free Quizlet and you have access to quite a few things. So in order to use this site, you can click Create a Study Set, and then you can base it off of whatever you want. So if you're learning about World War II, you can just type in World War II for the title, and then you enter in specific terms here. So if you wanted to enter in dates or definitions, things like that, they are all right here, and then you just hit create, and then you can just access that right on your Quizlet account. You can also access different forms that are already uploaded based on, if you just wanted to go to Google and type in Quizlet World War II, you can do that, and there will be flashcards that are available for you too, which is really great. So if you didn't want to make your own study guide, you're able to just access one that's already made, and you may not need all of the information. However, this could be very time-consuming to create this lengthy of a study guide, so it's really helpful to have that in here. So that is my artifact. Thank you for listening.